Hi children, welcome to the higher section. Now in 6th standard social subject you are studied about that you are going to study about the three categories. Now what are the categories? History, geography and then civics. So three categories you are going to learn about this year. Last year 5th standard you are combined, that is one as a social science. Now we are going to learn about the three categories. What is history? History is the study of past. For example, in your childhood times you heard about that stories. You sit in that family and then you ask that your grandparents and parents what they did in their childhood times. So they are all say about that the things, what is that in their childhood times, how they are played, how they are move on to that next place. So their lifestyle, their story, everything they are tell that. So the same thing already happened, that is happened things, that is we are heard about the things only, we studied about the past. Now what is geography? Geography is the study about the earth content. So in the earth what are the things is having, so idellam land, soil, mountains, everything we are learn about this geography. Civics. What is civics? The civics is the study about the society in our citizenship. So we are the citizenship of India. In the earlier times we ruled that our country is a king's rules. After that only the government formed. So the government functions, what are the governments we are having, so everything we studied about in this civics. So these are the three categories: history, geography and civics. Now we are going to learn about the first thing is history. First lesson topic is when, where, how. Everyone having these questions. Whenever we ask that the question when, where, how, these three questions arise to everyone. If they are asking any questions means how, எப்படி நடந்துச்சு இது, where, நீங்கள் எங்கே போனீங்க, என்ன செஞ்சீங்க, அதே மாதிரி when, எப்போ நடந்துச்சு, இதெல்லாம் நம்ம we are asked that the grandparents and then parents. So in these questions what are the answers will come, no, that is the thing we are having to learn about this. What is history? History is the systematic structure. History is the systematic structure that is studied about the events that happen in the past, that is chronological. What is mean by chronological? That is in the order wise, that is in the order wise, that is the year wise ஒவ்வொரு வருஷமும் என்னென்னலாம் நடந்தது, what are the events that happen, that is the history. Now why we studied history? Next, why we study history? History is important. It's help how human being developed in that ancient time, that is the year wise how they are developed. And the next one is how human being experimented and invented. You know that in that ancient time, that is the firewood and then everything is invented, their lifestyle is keep on changing. And also that why we study history means how the human beings exploded and traveling over a period of time, keep on they are changing their time and places. And another thing is we know about that the culture, religion, how they lived in the society, that is changed in the year wise. So these are the thing we know about that the history. இதுக்காக தான் நம்ம ஹிஸ்டரியை படிச்சுக்கிறோம். Okay, in that earlier times that the human beings, that is the nomads, they were lived in the nomads. They were always moving, not in a one place they are lived, because the geographical location of the place affects that the humans, so affect that the survival of the humans. Where they are lived in the river basins areas only they were lived. In the river basin area only they lived, because in the river basin area only the availability of water is very good, and then climate also suitable for living, and also that the soil is suitable for their cultivation, and land is very fertile area, because you know that river basin areas land is more fertile compared to the other land, so they choose it as the river basins areas. Now why the reasons of movement, how why they are keep on moving their places? One is in search of food. For their food purposes they were moved to the another place. And also another one thing, natural disaster like floods and famine, ஏதாவது ஒரு வெள்ளம் வறட்சி அந்த மாதிரி places இருந்ததுன்னா they were keep on their changes their places. And another thing is religious leaders. That time religious leaders spread their teachings, so that time they were moved to the another places. And also the another reason is traders sell their goods things. ஸோ வியாபாரிகள்லாம் அவங்களுடைய பொருட்களை விற்பதற்காகவும் they were keep their changes. And then kings send their armies to conquer land. ஏதாவது அரசர்கள் வந்து படையெடுத்தாங்கன்னா அந்த பிளேசஸ்லேருந்து they were move on to the another place. Some people, another thing is some people find and discovered the new routes. ஏதாவது புதுசாக ஒரு ரூட்ஸ் land areas they were discovered means, so that time also they were keep on moving their places. So these are the reasons, the movement of the places they are keep on moving that time. And another things, what are the sources of history? என்னென்ன வழிகள் எல்லாம் நம்ம ஹிஸ்டரியை தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம்? One is literary sources, and another one is coins, and then monuments and buildings. In the next class I will explain that the clearly literary sources, what are the archaeological evidences, and then what are the coins, monuments and buildings. Thank you.